Today I'm going to show you how I propagate a pineapple, one of my favorite things to propagate. Things you'll need: pineapple, cutting utensil and cutting board, and a container with some water. To begin, I cut off the head of the pineapple where it meets the skin. Then I can leave the fruit protected till I cut it open later. Next, I remove the bottom leaves of the top. I'm looking for the little nodes as I peel, and I continue peeling until I have around an inch of those nodes exposed. Finally, I put the freshly trimmed pineapple in some water, rainwater if I have it, and I compost my trimmings. Now all I need is time and patience. As I reflect on the numerous times I have propagated pineapple, I'm reminded of the joy I find in watching things grow. Like any gardener who has watched their young seeds turn into mature and beautiful plants, I'm reminded of the countless hours spent nurturing, watching, and learning how to be a better gardener. This propagation is helping me learn on my journey.